Hey there guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel with a new video titled Software Tester Salary in India. Everyone uses software to make their lives easier, and software testers are constantly needed to ensure that the software is bug free. As a result, you can enter or change careers in this in-demand industry. This job is for you if you have strong analytical, communication, testing, tool knowledge, and excellent time management skills. As the number of mobile apps and other technologies grows exponentially, so makes the demand for software testers to test them. In India, people with experience in automation testing salary is high. Apart from automated competence, software testers might specialize in other areas like performance testing, API testing, security testing, database testing, etc. Software testers can work from anywhere, that is from home, and many companies are increasingly offering work from home opportunities to software testers. Did you know? To assess the software's quality before it goes live, companies test to see what it can do and how well it does. Anyone can make a mistake, and defect-free systems don't exist. We all make mistakes, especially when creating complicated procedures. So software testers are employed. Before moving ahead, I would like to let you know that Gururo has tied up with top international universities and offers all courses in online, blended or on-campus mode in countries like USA, UK, Canada, Ireland, Germany and Australia. What is software testing and the role of software testers? Evaluating an application or program to uncover software flaws is known as software testing. It ensures that a proposed application or program meets all requirements and performs correctly. A software tester is an integral part of the development process for a client's product. The quality assurance department employs the tester. The tester receives software programs at various stages of development and runs them through a series of tests according to the results. A developer, for example, is working on a payment application for customers. When the coding portion of the program is finished, the code is delivered to a software tester who runs different manual and automated tests on the application, from checking if it works on slower connections to ensuring that the account balance is updated correctly. The tests are referred to as test cases and are pushed to production only after the application passes all of the software testers' test cases. Why do we need a software tester and a manual tester? Identify problems or errors and create a program or software that meets corporate needs. Deliver high quality, timely programming initiatives. Adhere to the SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle approach for long-term benefits. Excellent software requires very creative and responsible work. A software tester salary in India for fresher and experienced. A newbie software tester's annual compensation in India ranges from 2,70,000 to 7,30,000 rupees. An experienced software tester salary in India ranges from 3,40,000 rupees to 8,30,000 rupees per year. If you work as a software tester as a freelancer, you can earn up to 10 lakh rupees in a year. You can work in other job profiles which can pay you similarly or even better if you have some additional abilities. For instance, a software engineer makes between 3.6 and 10 lakhs per annum. Software test engineer salary based on locations. Freshers and experienced testing engineer salaries in India are determined by various factors such as educational background, experience, region, etc. The typical package of a software tester or software analyst in some of the India's top cities is Chennai 29,000 to 37,000 rupees, Bangalore 35,000 to 60,000, Hyderabad 30,000 to 40,000, Delhi 30,000 to 50,000, Gurgaon 30,000 to 50,000, Mumbai 25,000 to 1 lakh and Pune 25,000 to 1 lakh. Chennai, one of the best cities. Chennai, the average monthly wage ranges from 29,000 to 37,000. Up to 4.34 lakhs rupees annually is a typical software tester engineer salary. Bangalore, the average software tester salary ranges from 35,000 to 60,000 per month in Bangalore, and IT companies in Bangalore give a basic monthly wage of 40,000 rupees. Hyderabad, a software tester salary in India's top cyber city is 30,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees per month. In Hyderabad, a software tester can earn up to 3,70,000 rupees per year on average. Delhi and Gurgaon in India's capital. Delhi, a software tester's monthly salary ranges from 30,000 rupees to 50,000. Many MNCs, IT and startup companies give up to 10 lakh rupees in a single year. Mumbai and Pune, the average annual compensation for a software tester in Mumbai and Pune is 3 lakhs rupees. And many IT organizations may pay you up to 12 lakh rupees if you are highly skilled. A testing engineer's salary based on testing types. Their abilities determine a software tester's salary. Companies may pay more than additional perks and insurance if they are highly talented and experienced in manual, ETL and other areas. A software tester with black box testing skills can earn an average of 10 lakh rupees annually. A software tester with Selenium automated test tool expertise can earn an average of 20 lakh rupees per annum. A software tester with integration testing skills may earn an average of 15 lakhs rupees annually. System and acceptance testing are paid less than other areas of competence. A manual tester's salary. The manual tester's salary in India is 5 lakh rupees. Salary of ETL tester, data warehousing tester. Many IT businesses in India pay up to rupees 15 lakhs per annum for an experienced ETL data warehousing tester. Data loading from source systems to data warehouses is accomplished using the extract, transform and load ETL procedure. It involves extracting data from a source system, transforming it to match the target scheme and loading it into a data warehouse system. Tests during the ETL process verify that data is accurately changed from the source to the storage warehouse. Performance tester, load runner, JMeter. An expert in this training software can earn up to 25 lakh rupees. The pay has increased by 181% for software testers. With ETL expertise, software testers with Python skills have also seen a 127% wage rise. Software testers with quality assurance experience have seen a 64% salary rise. Integration testing and database skills have also shown lesser compensation gains than other abilities. How to become an expert in software testing in India? If you want to be a software tester or are just starting testing, learn about the most in-demand expertise in software testing. You can learn anything from the fundamentals of software testing to advanced concepts, and you can specialize in manual testing, business analysis, testing engineering and more. A software tester's salary for fresher is excellent. Now let's get to the conclusion. Testing software is necessary for identifying problems before they occur in an acute setting. Software testing is essential because any defects or faults in the software can be discovered and addressed before the software product is delivered. Software testers receive a high income since they are the ones who determine whether or not a piece of software is used. They will be involved in the testing phase of software development and deployment. Your job is to run automated and manual tests on the software developed by developers to make sure it's up to the mark and free of defects before it's made available to the general public. Now let's discuss some of the frequently asked questions. First, which is more effective, a developer or a tester? Having programming skills and writing code is essential for a developer to succeed. Prototyping and testing are typical activities in the development process until a product is ready to be released for public use. On the other hand, a tester is in charge of thoroughly testing the application and pushing it to its boundaries as much as possible and gets a good software tester salary per month. Second question, what is the software tester salary per month with 2 years of experience? The answer is, in India, the maximum annual compensation for a software test engineer is 7 lakh rupees. Third, what is the starting salary for a manual testing engineer in India? The answer is, manual software test engineer salaries in India for those with less than 1 year of experience to those with more than 9 years of experience range from 1.1 lakh rupees to 16 lakh rupees per annum, with an average annual pay of 5 lakh rupees. So that's it for today. If you want more informative or interesting videos like this, consider subscribing Gururo.